So hello guys, and welcome to this video, and today's video is a special one because it's not normally what I kind of do. So this is the first video I've done with my girlfriend right here, Rosie. All links will be down below in the description, and when I say all links I just mean TikTok and Instagram, no others, so yeah, don't worry about that. But this video is going to be basically Trading 212 or whatever app you want to guys choose, but we're going to choose Trading 212, and I'm giving Rosie £200 to pick any random stock or stocks, any which she wants to do. £200, around about $250, but it's all to do with her, and in a few months time we'll have another look and see how well she has done, if she comes out in the profit or the loss. So are you ready for this challenge? £200, all yours, ready to choose on a stock. Do you reckon you can choose some nice ones? No. Any? Yeah? Cool. I'm going to hand over my phone. So before I get to this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, does mean absolute world, and also head over to my Instagram and also Rosie's Instagram as well, because it does mean absolute world. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. Now it's all done, I'm going to give my phone over. Dodgy times now. So there you go. There's now £200 deposited in the accounts. She can now choose what she likes to do. Any ones that you've always wanted to buy? Any companies that you thought was decent? Have a little scroll through. You got £200. You can split it up.
US.
Don't care. It's up to you.
Yeah, she's gonna keep them. Oh, let's go for a new one.
It's your decision.
That's expensive. Go on, go.
Go.
Have you got this one before?
Nope, never have got that before.
Where's this? How's it one?
So it has just had a massive spike.
It's just new, isn't it?
In a day, it's had how much? 28% up in a day.
It's pretty good. Yeah, let's buy it.
You're gonna buy it?
Yeah.
Okay, how much are you gonna buy?
How much have I got?
You've got 200. And there you go.
I'm
Is that gonna be your first? Boom, and there you go. That is her first order done. So she now has £180 left to spend. What else is she gonna get? So she's now found the search button after like 10 minutes. Come on then.
You're muggy. Oh, Pfizer.
It's in your body, so you might as well buy it.
It's really low as well. Yeah, it's pricing.
She's gone for a quarter of her portfolio. Quarter of her portfolio. Oh, you more?
No.
Treating herself?
1.5. Is that good, do you think? No, I'm asking you.
So you now have £130 remaining. You don't want French ones.
Why not?
Because you don't want
Key, why not? Real estate.
You're thinking about French real estate. That just says something right there.
Switzerland's got loads of money.
This is why you never let your girlfriend buy stocks.
Arundel.
It's a French stock.
No, it's not. It's Switzerland, mate. Keep up.
What have I done? I'm regretting this already.
Swiss Life.
Oh,
market shout. Just...
I'm regretting this already.
I thought that was your idea. Butterfly, yes. Oh, let's just see. Yeah.
Yeah?
Sure.
You can get a butterfly. Cool.
You had that before?
Nope. That's £30. So there you go. You now have done half. Yeah, fair enough. Good pick. I don't know anything about the stock itself though, so it could be a bad choice.
Bad choice.
But £100 left you got. So you've done
how much?
3 buys?
Yeah, 50, 20,
yeah,
30.
3 buys she's done. So yeah, a nice bit of diversity she's having. 3 different stocks with £100 left. What is she going to do next? Yeah, banks aren't.
Technology, software.
Obviously technology moves the most.
Spotify. That's quite a big one though, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, she's found her prey.
We'll get a little one.
She's found her £5. You want to do £5?
What have you got left?
100.
Got exactly 100 left?
Yep.
No, we're gonna go with 10.
10.
We went down to 9, just wait.
There you go.
Hey.
4 stocks, £110 spent, £90 left.
I'm just gonna bang the rest on one.
Yeah?
What do you think?
Dodgy.
That one.
Oh god. I've never heard of that stock in my life.
Right, let's do random, ready? Close our eyes and go. That one. Zendesk. What's that?
Have you ever heard
That's a thing, isn't it? That's what I've heard.
Obviously, it's a thing.
I've heard that before. Let's do half. Why are you so scared?
That's £40 already. It's my money. Go on in.
I want to make you some money.
Go on in. Go on, Zendesk.
Yeah, let's do Zendesk. Let's do 20. 20.
Cool.
I'm splitting them all. Is that good? That's pretty good.
You've got 70 left, and that's 5 stocks now as well. So diversify pretty well.
They're all V's. That one. Socket Mobile.
That sounds so dodgy.
$6.
That sounds so dodgy.
Right, I'll buy a little bit.
Oh god, that sounds so dodgy.
Or you can get. Oh, you can actually get it in like pounds.
Yeah, that just tells you there.
Oi, nothing wrong with that. Little one, £10. Let's go.
There you go. That's £60 left.
Right, we'll do the rest on one.
Uh oh.
Dividend.
Don't want dividends
Why?
because that's just passive income.
Your passive income.
Oh.
Wait, pick the category.
Right, I help you pick. No, I think do.
So you can't even pick either.
I think come out of that and just do.
Most popular. Oh, you want a safe one? Because I'm spending all your money on shit.
Type a random letter in and see what pops up.
Oh.
See, why am I recommending this? I don't know why.
This one.
That's no, you want an ETF.
Calendar! Alibaba, are you already invested in them?
Nope.
Haven't you?
But they're very cheap right now.
Let's buy them.
Oh, he's going for,
Look
going
at
for
the
Chinese
How
stock.
much you got left?
60 left. Are you gonna do it? Boom! And she has spent her £200 on how many different stocks?
Oh, they're up. I thought that was mine.
So you bought
Go.
Alibaba, Butterfly Network, GoGo, Pfizer, Socket Mobile, Spotify and Zendesk. So for £200, Rosie ended up getting 7 different stocks. At the moment she's down on Alibaba, down on Butterfly Network. You are up 0.30%, so you're up 6p on GoGo. Well done. Pfizer, you're up a little bit as well, 5p. You're down on Socket Mobile by 2% already.
I didn't buy that one.
You did.
Oh.
Spotify, you're up 1p, absolutely brilliant, and Zendesk, you're level right now. So that is Rosie's little portfolio right there. £200, which I have given her. I'm going to say that again. I've given her that money. Yeah, we'll find out what happens in a month or maybe a few months' time. We'll see if she's up or down, and if she is down, maybe there'll be a bit of forfeits, and maybe if she's up, I'll have to do a forfeit as well. So we will see what happens, but it will get juicier. But yeah, this is Trading with Liam. This is Rosie right here. Make sure to obviously follow the Instagram. It does mean the absolute world. And yeah, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and yeah, peace out, people. See ya. Bye.